So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here this one question to answer on the topic chemical combinations. So guys, this video will be all about laws of definite and multiple proportion. So guys, in short, stay till the end of this video as this is very important. Also guys, if you want to answer any question here in this video, you can pause this video and try out to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's start with this question here. It says 2.85 grams of an oxide of copper gave 2.52 grams of copper on reduction, and 1.90 grams of another oxide gave 1.52 grams of copper on reduction. The data above illustrates the law of. Alright, so guys, in order for us to get the answer to this question, we are going to solve this together. So let's quickly zoom into our workspace here. So guys, from this, we can tell that since we have 2.85 grams of an oxide of copper and it gave 2.52 grams of copper, it means here the oxide will be 2.85 grams minus the 2.52 grams, and that's 2.85 minus 2.52, that's 0.33 grams. So the oxide is 0.33, the copper is 2.52, the oxide is 0.33 here. So guys, on the next one, 1.90 grams of another oxide, 1.90 grams of another oxide gave 1.52 grams of copper. So let's find the mass of the oxide here too. We have 1.90 minus 1.52, so that will be 0.38 grams here. So guys, it means that the mass of copper here will be 1.52, and then the mass of the oxide here will be 0.38. So guys, over here, if we take the ratio of the copper to the oxide here in the first one here, we'll have 2.52 grams of copper over 0.33 grams of the oxide. So let's do that. So we'll have 2.52 over 0.33. So that's 7.6, and that's approximately 8. So, and then for the next one, we'll have 1.52, which is the mass of the copper, over 0.38. So that will be 1.52 over 0.38. So that's 4. So guys, if you look at this, you will observe that these two are in increasing ratio of 1:2 here. So guys, that's a kind of multiple proportions. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's multiple proportion. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Again, we also want to encourage you guys to join our YouTube channel membership in order to be able to access our premium information. So guys, we strongly encourage you to join this channel membership. So that will be all for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.